I've been hearing symphonies. Before all I heard was silence.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. Now we are watching this video about the production of speech sound. I'm Ayu and this is the Phonetics and Phonology chapter 3. In this chapter we are going to learn about articulator above the larynx, vowel and consonant, and English short vowels. All the sounds we make when we speak are the result of muscle contracting. Muscle in the larynx produce many different modifications in the flow of air from the chest to the mouth. After passing through the larynx, the air goes through what we call the vocal tract, which ends at the mouth and nostrils. How the sounds of speech are produced, it is necessary to become familiar with the different parts of the vocal tract. These different parts are called articulator. To describe more about that, let's see the figure about the 7 articulator. The first is the pharynx. It's a tube which is about 7 cm long in women and about 8 cm in men. And the second one is the soft palate or volume. Is in a diagram in a position that allows air to pass through the nose and then through the mouth. It is one of the articulator that can be touched by the tongue when we make the sound k and k. Third is the hard palate. It's often called the roof of the mouth. You can feel it smooth curved surface with your tongue. Example, the sound y in yes. And the fourth is alveolar ridge. It's between the top front teeth and the hard palate. You can feel it set with your tongue sound when we make the tongue touched here, such as th, and n. And the fifth is the tongue. It's a very important articulator and it can be moved into many different places and different shapes. Let's see the tongue on a large scale. This part sound tip, blade, front, back, and root. And epiglottis. The sixth is the fifth, upper and lower. You should remember that most speakers have teeth to the side of their mouth. Sounds made with the tongue touch the front teeth such as English th and th are called dental. Last but not least is the lips. They can be pressed together or called bilabial when we produce the sound b and b. Brought into contact with the teeth are called labiodental, as in v and v, or rounded to produce the lip shape for vowel like u. Alright people, now let's move to another subchapter about vowel and consonant. In the study the sound of speech scientifically, vowels are division sound as in which there's no obstruction to the flow air as it passes from the larynx to the lips. There are 4 vowels differ from each other and divided onto tongue height and by changing the shape of tongue. There are two differences of tongue height. The distance between surface of the tongue and the roof of the mouth. There are closed vowel and open vowel. Closed vowel, the tongue is held up close to the roof of the mouth. Example, E and U. An open vowel, the tongue moves down. Example, A and R. Look at this illustration. Tongue height can be changed by moving the tongue up or down, or moving the lower jaw up or down. Front vowels is front of the tongue. Example, E and A. And back vowel is back of the tongue. Example, U and A. This is in a sample diagram. Close and front vowel is E. Close and back vowel is U. Open in front vowel is A, and open in back is R. In the International Phonetics Alphabet, or IPA, there's lip position. Look at E. Close and as front without obstructing the flow of air enough to produce friction noise. This is the hissing sound that one hear in consonant like S and A is most open and back vowel that is possible to make. How about lip position? There's rounded like in U. Corner of the lips are brought toward each other and lips pushed forward. And spread like in E. Corner of the lips move away from each other. Neutral position. Lips are not noticeable rounded or spread like in hesitating. Next, I'll talk about English short vowel. As you may know, there's 7 short vowels, like E in bit, A in bet, A as in mend, R as in cup, as in cross, U as in put, and as in about. Well, that's all from me from this time. It's been a good pleasure to share this with you. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.